What if I tell you, the calm you are searching for outside has always been waiting inside you? And what if a single crystal could remind your mind how to slow down, how to feel safe, and how to reconnect with your inner wisdom? This is not magic, this is awareness, this is amethyst. Most people today feel tired, but not physically. Mentally tired, emotionally overloaded, constant thinking, constant stress, constant noise inside the head. You try to stay positive, you try affirmations, you try manifestation techniques. But still, your mind does not rest, your sleep feels disturbed, your intuition feels blocked, your emotions feel heavy. And you start thinking, why is my mind never quiet? Why do I feel disconnected from myself? Why do I know so much, but feel so little peace? If you feel this way, this video is for you. In this video I will give you a complete, honest, and grounded guide on amethyst. Not superstition, not exaggeration, not false promises, but real understanding. You will learn what amethyst actually represents, how people use it consciously, and how it can support your mindset, emotions, and inner balance. By the end of this video you will not just know about amethyst, you will feel clarity about whether it resonates with you or not. Amethyst is a purple crystal, but its value is not in its color, its value is in what it symbolizes to the human mind. For thousands of years, different cultures connected amethyst with calmness, clarity, and higher awareness. Not because the stone forces anything, but because it reminds the mind of a slower, quieter state. Amethyst is associated with stillness, with observation, with inner silence. When you look at amethyst, its soft purple tone naturally feels calming. And your mind reacts to symbols very deeply. This is important to understand. Crystals do not control you, they do not replace effort, they do not override your will. They act as anchors, mental and emotional anchors. Why people feel drawn to amethyst? People who are drawn to amethyst are usually sensitive thinkers. They feel deeply, they absorb energy from people and environments, they overthink, they care too much sometimes. Amethyst is often chosen by people who want mental peace, emotional balance, and inner clarity. Not excitement, not chaos, but calm strength. If you are on a spiritual path or even just a self-awareness journey, amethyst feels like a gentle companion. Not loud, not aggressive, just present. Now listen carefully, this part is very important. Most of our reactions, habits, and emotional patterns do not come from conscious thinking. They come from subconscious beliefs. The subconscious mind learns through repetition, symbols, feelings, and environment. When you repeatedly see, touch, or focus on something that represents calm, safety, and clarity, the subconscious slowly associates with that state. This is why people use affirmations, this is why people listen to subliminals, this is why visualization works. Not instantly, not magically, but slowly, naturally. Amethyst works on the same principle. It becomes a symbolic reminder. A reminder to pause, to breathe, to observe thoughts instead of fighting them. And when the subconscious accepts a new story, behavior starts shifting gently. Without force. People use amethyst in simple ways. Some keep it near their bed to remind the mind that night is for rest. Some use it during meditation to help focus inward. Some wear it as a physical cue to stay grounded during the day. Again, this is not about the object, it is about association. Just like a peaceful song can calm you, a symbol of calm can guide your state. Your mind learns by repetition. Amethyst will not fix your life, it will not remove all problems, it will not change you overnight. And anyone who promises that is not being honest. What amethyst can do is support a calmer inner environment when used with awareness. You still have to reflect, you still have to grow, you still have to observe your thoughts. The crystal does not do the work, you do. In the next part of this video I will explain emotional benefits, mental patterns, how people consciously connect with amethyst, and how you can decide if it truly aligns with you. Not from belief, but from awareness. So stay with me because clarity comes step by step. If this part made you pause and think, press like. It tells the algorithm this content has meaning. Subscribe if you enjoy calm, deep, and conscious videos like this. And comment below, what attracts you more right now? Peace, clarity, or emotional balance? Before we go deeper, take one slow breath. Because this part is not about information, this part is about inner understanding. Amethyst is not here to impress you. It is here to slow you down. Emotional and mental impact of amethyst. Many people live on autopilot. Thought after thought, emotion after emotion, reaction after reaction. Amethyst is often associated with mental pause. Not stopping thoughts but observing them. People say, when I sit near amethyst, I feel calmer. What is actually happening? Your nervous system responds to symbols of safety. Your mind relaxes when it does not feel threatened. The soft purple color, the quiet presence, the intention you place on it. All these together create a signal. A signal that says, I am allowed to slow down. Amethyst and emotional awareness. Amethyst is often linked with emotional honesty. Not positivity, not suppression, but truth. Sometimes, when people sit quietly with amethyst, old emotions come up. Not because the crystal creates them, but because silence reveals them. And this is important. Healing does not mean feeling good all the time, healing means feeling clearly. Amethyst supports this clarity. It encourages you to ask, what am I really feeling? What am I avoiding? What needs attention right now? Intuition is not magic. It is quiet intelligence. But intuition cannot speak when the mind is noisy. Amethyst is associated with intuition because it symbolizes inner listening. When you slow down, you hear yourself better. Not future predictions, not supernatural visions, but inner guidance. And often that guidance is very simple. Rest more, say no. Be honest, let go. Now, let's connect this deeper with the subconscious. The subconscious mind does not understand logic. It understands repetition and emotion. Every time you associate calmness with a symbol, a routine, or a space, the subconscious learns a new pattern. When you sit with amethyst during meditation, affirmations, or silence, your subconscious links that state with peace and awareness. Slowly, without forcing anything, your reactions start changing. Not because you tried harder, but because the inner story changed. This is how reprogramming really works. You do not need complex rituals. Simple awareness is enough. You can place amethyst where you rest, reflect, or reset. Before sleeping, during journaling, while listening to affirmations. Or during quiet moments. The key is intention. Not desire, not desperation. Just intention. I choose calm. I choose clarity. I choose awareness. And then, you allow. Let me be very clear. Amethyst is not a replacement for action, not a replacement for responsibility, not a shortcut to success. If your life feels chaotic, the crystal is not the problem. It is an invitation. An invitation to look inward. To simplify. To listen. The real work is internal. Always. Not every tool fits every person. Some people need grounding, some need motivation, some need movement. If you are already very passive, amethyst may feel too slow. And that is okay. Spiritual growth is not about copying others. It is about alignment. Trust your response. Amethyst does not change your destiny. It changes your relationship with your mind. And when your inner relationship changes, your outer life responds naturally. Not immediately, not dramatically, but steadily. Quiet shifts create lasting change. If you are on this path of awareness, manifestation, and inner healing, you are not late, you are not broken, you are not missing anything. You are remembering yourself. And that is powerful. If this video resonated, press like to support this energy. Subscribe for more calm, conscious content. And comment below, do you feel more connected to peace or to clarity right now? Your answers guide future videos. Thank you for listening till the end. Move gently today. Sparkles.